Don't.
Want to see who's you? Yeah. That one.
Be careful and don't fall, okay?
That one's me.
Watch where your feet are going.
There's a picture of me and Shelby. Me and you. Yeah. Yours with big arms.
Nina, do you care if I go to sleep?
You think Shelby has big arms?
Yeah.
Shelby, you have big arms.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for my big arms. You can thank your mommy because your mommy gave you all your body parts.
And your daddy. Maybe you'll have daddy's mustache and daddy's hairy butt. Look, it's already growing. You have a monkey growing out of your butt.
Mommy, I'm tired.
Come on, Nene, you come down next.
Want to see me?
Yeah.
Mom's beating me and we're
Scootaloo.
not playing anymore.
This is bumpy.
Did you just say you're not going to play anymore because people are beating you?
No.
That's typical.